Hello everyone and welcome back to TravelSolo Channel. And today I'm so excited to share with you our video with Junris Blagadag and Beyond the Explorer. So in Cagayan de Oro City, I met my two friends, vloggers, Junris Blagadag and Beyond the Explorer. Alright, so it was my pleasure to meet these two amazing people in Cagayan de Oro City. So for after how many months or maybe a year that we met on YouTube, so finally today we met in person. So we went to Opol, Misamis Oriental, and had lunch at the seaside in Panagatan Restaurant. So it was really fun, very exciting, and a lot of laughters, a lot of stories shared, memories through YouTube and so on. So it was really an exciting day, an amazing day meeting with these two people. So here is our video that we have taken during our meetup. So I hope you will enjoy this video, and thank you so much to Beyond the Explorer and to Junris Blagadag for taking a moment of their time meeting me at the Cagayan de Oro City. I know that was very short. That was a very quick meet-up, but for sure it will not be the first and the last, but there will be more meetups to come. So again, thank you so much to all of you guys. Thank you so much to all our friends here on YouTube, and hopefully I will be able to meet you soon as well. So in the meantime, enjoy the video that we have taken. This is our memories that we have taken during our meetup at Cagayan de Oro City.
As you fade away,
yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you
Ayan si Leon.
Oh, it's Lydia, the Explorer Channel.
Yan, ito si Junris Blagadag.
Hi! Kita-kita na Junri. Slim ito yung Junri. No, lang kayo siya. Marag ka ng perfect yun. GoPro 10 mo yan.
Hindi ko ay. Ang buburi na dito eh.
Hi! Shout out sa mga kuan. Travel Solo Podcast. Travel Solo. 2 years live. Eh, mga 2 years live lang.
Oo, narag hapon. Pero wala na i-upload. Yan. So, we're here sa Panagatan, Cagayan de Oro City. Opol? Is part of Opol.
Misamis na siya.
Misamis Oriental. Ayan. Along the beach, along the seaside restaurant.
I can get that lobster.
The portion.
Yes, good afternoon.
Usually daw tayong order.
May sabi ka kasi Criminal, di ba?
But I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. What's wrong and why you never said you felt that way? And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
But now, yeah, make all the demons quiet. Yeah, we were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah, make all the demons quiet. Yeah, we were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. They know that we're calling it love. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive and save it. What keeps you up at night, yeah, make all the demons quiet. Yeah, we were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah, make all the demons quiet. Yeah, we were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares. See me right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster
play dead? Will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt, never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm, I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string, you don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings, you don't ever wanna set me free.